Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with another interesting and healthy recipe. These are chips made out of sweet potatoes. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. Here I've taken 500 grams of sweet potatoes, washed them and pat them dry. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, beta-carotene and vitamin A, which makes it a healthier option than the normal potatoes. Since they are rich in fiber, they're good for your gut health, and also they have low glycemic index, which is a good option for stabilizing blood sugar. Also, those who are looking for a healthy weight loss, sweet potatoes are a very good option since they are low in calories. Also, this recipe requires very less oil and it also retains the nutrients of sweet potatoes, unlike deep frying, which can destroy them. These can be enjoyed as tea time snacks or can be considered for mid-meal or kids' tiffin box snacks. They require very less time, ingredients and efforts to make and can be made quickly when you have sudden cravings to eat something crispy or salty but at the same time healthy. So you can see here that I've cut them into round shape. Now here comes the interesting part. You can add the seasoning or spices of your choice. Here I've kept it very simple. I've added 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting and healthy recipes. As you can see, coat the seasoning very well onto the sliced sweet potatoes. Now place this container into the oven. Here I am using IFB's 23-liter oven, the code being 23BC4, and simply microwave for 10 minutes on high power. Please ensure that you're using oven-friendly vessels like borosilicate glass or aluminium tins. After about 7 minutes, I'm gently flipping these slices. The cooking time will vary depending upon the quantity of sweet potatoes that you have taken. Here I have cooked them in 2 batches and per batch it took me around 10 to 15 minutes. Please ensure that you flip in between so that they do not burn and stick to the container in which they are being baked. Meanwhile, let's prepare a healthy dip for these chips. This dip is completely optional, but you can use it in other recipes as well, that is while making sandwiches, rolls, etc. Here I've taken 100 grams of Greek yogurt. You can replace it with some home-set curd which has been hung in a strainer or cloth for some time, which helps in removing the excess water content in the curd. To this, add 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cream cheese. Cheese is optional, but it will give a nice creamy flavor. Since I'm making this for kids, hence I've added this. Finally, grate 1 clove of garlic. You can add or delete the ingredients used while making this dip as per your liking. Now, mix this really well. This is a good replacement for mayo. You can also call it a healthy version of mayonnaise. It actually tastes the same. Do try out and share your feedback in the comment section below. Meanwhile, let's check on our oven roasted sweet potato chips. It took me around 15 minutes to fully crisp the potato slices. Initially, when you take out from the oven, they will be slightly soggy. Leave it on the countertop for another 10 minutes and they will start to turn crisp. From the audio, I guess you are able to make out that they have turned out to be super crispy. These are preservative free and can be enjoyed with zero guilt. Do try out and share with your friends and family for more healthy recipes. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on all buttons so that you do not miss whenever a new video is uploaded. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.